Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I can finally speak right now. We are back in Miami. I am super excited. The last time I was here, I was pregnant with Allison and Zoe was about 10 months, and that was about 3 years ago now. I am so excited to be back, and I know it's gonna be so much fun. We have so many things planned ahead. So we came with 3 different couples. Is it 3 different couples? Yeah, it's 3, basically 6 of us. So we rented an Airbnb. I'll give you guys a tour once we get there. Right now we just want to walk around the mall, just get some food, and then we're gonna head over there. I'll show you guys everything. Why are you looking at it like that?
I don't know.
So I'll show you guys everything once we get there. And yeah, I'm super excited, guys. I am so excited. Alright guys, so right now we're headed to Zara. We're going to Zara? Or we're going to eat first?
Yeah, no, I'll talk.
I guess so. We just finished up at Zara. I just got a couple of things for the girls, and I got myself like a full-on outfit. And we went to Starbucks. I got this. I don't know if it's a new drink, but it's a refresher, but it's really good.
And I will show you how
It's really good. But anyways, we're waiting on the other couple that's supposed to join us, and then we're gonna go to the hotel, not the hotel, the Airbnb.
We can get in, you know, if we can finish it, we'll go with it. I thought you said we can sit. So we don't know what they're doing. Why Starbucks don't put their own thing?
I guess I'll give you guys a quick room tour because we're actually rushing. We need to go to the restaurant.
It's a video?
Yeah. So, as you walk in, there's this little console table here. It's really cute. Like, and then there's a restroom here.
Oh, okay.
This is the kitchen. It's so big and so beautiful.
Yeah.
I want to give you guys a quick room tour before we head out, because I feel like when we got here I didn't really do a good job at that because we're like rushing to go out to eat, and I'm literally carrying my bag here and then holding the vlogging camera. But yeah, this place is so beautiful. Hello guys, so today's day 2 in Miami. I am super excited. We're on our way to grab some breakfast. We have a lot planned for today. We're supposed to do safari, but it got canceled because there was just too many people. So we're gonna do the helicopter ride instead. I'm very excited about that. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. And I'm excited. So we came to get some food at this African restaurant, but let's see what they have. Alright guys, so we're back home now. We're gonna just freshen up a bit and then head to the yacht. I'll catch you guys later. You say no money, baby. You could be loving her, you see that kind of life in Miami. You say no money, no honey. Okay guys, so today is day 3. I am running late. We're headed to the mall right now, and then later on we're gonna go to dinner, like later in the evening. Alright guys, so here is my mall outfit. Really headed to the mall. Good morning. Good morning. Good, good. So guys, we just made it to the mall. Downgrade me like this.
Really popular fraud. You're gonna see them everywhere on Instagram, social media. Super beautiful. This one's too. Cashmere pattern. This is like walking on clouds. Gorgeous. And all these, you know, especially the ones with like square toes or are like, you look at them, you say, what is this?
Well, hello there guys. So we are back from the mall. Honestly, I wanted to vlog more, but I just was in the moment and just enjoying that time. Anyways, right now we're getting ready to go to dinner. We're going to Northset. I think that's what it's called. It's the salt-based restaurant. But yeah, my hair is done. I just need to get ready. This is my outfit right here. Let me show you guys my outfit. Hopefully it goes well together. Like these shoes, they're nice, but I feel like for this dress, it's not it. So I was thinking I could just, you know, finesse them with these shoes here and the bag to just bring like a pop of color. Not really color because it's brown, but you know, to just go together. So that's my complete outfit right there. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready guys. Okay y'all, so today's our last day here in Miami. We're getting ready to check out. Our flight isn't until 7 p.m. though, so we still have like, you know, a few more hours that we're just gonna go some places. We actually need to head back to the mall to change some pair of pants that my husband got. They didn't fit, so we're just gonna make that change and then grab some to eat, and then we're gonna go and return our rental car. But it's been so nice. It's been a vibe. Like Miami is always a good vibe. Like I will never get tired of coming to Miami, like literally. And the only thing that made it a bit like, you know, not boring, like late nights, we wanted to go out but we couldn't because there's like curfews everywhere, so you have to be home by 10 p.m. so that kind of sucked, but we had a good time.